Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1/32 scale diecast model of Toyota Innova Crysta. So this model is really hard to find online. It is only available in Indonesia, so I can't provide the purchase link as of now, but I will try to get one. So if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see how we made the miniature house diorama, you can click the video on the right. So if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.